So I've taken in half kg curry cut chicken. Follow the instructions mentioned here. Now I'm taking in a mixing bowl and I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt. Now I'm going to add in the chicken into this and massage this chicken with all these ingredients very well so that the chicken is coated with all of them evenly, like this. Okay, now I'm going to cover this and I'm going to marinate it overnight. If you're marinating it overnight in the refrigerator, you need to. Okay, now in a small kadai on low flame, firstly I'm going to add in some coriander seeds, then peppercorns, few cardamom, few cinnamon, cumin seeds, broken star anise, dry red chilies, and I'm going to saute it on low flame for about a minute or two until they turn light brown like this. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and allow this to cool down completely. After it's cooled down, I'm going to dry grind it into a fine powder like this. Keep this aside. Now in a kadai on medium flame, I'm going to add in some mustard oil and also some regular oil. Allow the oil to get hot for about a minute. Then I'm going to add in a bay leaf, few cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and star anise. I'm going to saute them in this hot oil for about a minute. Going to add in some SLIT green chilies. It will start to splutter. Add in immediately sliced onions. Add in salt to help onions cook faster, and we'll saute the onions on medium flame till they turn golden brown. So it will take about 7 to 9 minutes. They need to form this color. To that I'm going to add in the marinated chicken. As I mentioned, marinate it overnight. It'll be very good. Otherwise, marinate for at least 2 hours. Combine well. Now cover and cook this for about 10 minutes. The chicken will begin to release water itself. Saute in intervals. After 10 minutes, just give in a quick mix. Turn the flame to low here. Form a dent at the center and add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Just saute it in the oil for a few seconds and combine this completely. Now remember that the liquid from the chicken has reduced, so we will cover and cook this on low flame for about 10 minutes. Again saute in intervals. Now it has been cooking for total 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add in chopped curry leaves and I'm going to add in all of the grinded powder. Combine well. Turn the flame to medium now and I'm going to add in 1 cup of water. And now cover and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes on low to medium flame. Stir in intervals. Now you can see that the total time it has taken to cook is almost about 45 minutes. You can see all the water evaporated from the chicken and the chicken has also cooked very well. Now we are going to add in 2 teaspoons of ghee and a handful of chopped coriander leaves and also squeezing in juice of 1 lemon, half a lemon, not 1 lemon. Now combine well again. Keep the flame as low and cover and cook for about 2 minutes, and then turn off the flame and it is ready to be served. So this dish is kind of dry and spicy. It goes very well with ghee rice or kulcha, roti, and even white rice. Okay, go try out the spicy Andhra spicy chicken fry and let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time in my upcoming videos. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.